expecting.
Daylight time. 4:09 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. A strong thunderstorm is located 10 nautical miles northwest of Geneva on the lake. With 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact.
Radar.
Craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. The strong thunderstorm will remain over mainly open waters.
Here we go.
Urgent weather message. For the following counties in Ohio, Erie, and Huron. The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 381, effective until 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Ohio, Erie, and Huron. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, Tornado Watch number 381 has been issued from 4:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time until 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time in counties in Ohio, Erie, and Huron. This is NOAA Weather Radio KHD 59 originating from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Cleveland. We supply the latest available information for Northeast Ohio over station KHD 59 from Chesterland on a frequency of 162.550 megahertz. On the latest weather map, a warm front extending from low pressure over Wisconsin will move eastward across the area today and next home near the south shore of Lake Erie. This will be followed by a cold front sweeping eastward across the area tonight. Low pressure slowly drifts.
You never see this up here.
For midweek. The forecast for Cleveland and vicinity. Tonight, a chance of showers and thunderstorms early, then showers and thunderstorms. Some thunderstorms may be severe with damaging winds, large hail, and heavy rainfall this evening.
Hello, everybody. Say hello to AC. Say hello. Come on.
Hi.
Hi.
We're live.
Oh, shit. We're live. Tornado watch.
From Cleveland has issued a special marine warning for nearshore and open waters from Avon Point, Ohio to Geneva on the Lake, Ohio until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:24 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 17 nautical miles northeast of Kelly's Island to 8 nautical miles northwest of western Vermilion to Huron, moving east at 45 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots. Source, radar. Impact. All craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Willow Lake, Fairport Harbor, Cleveland, and Geneva on the Lake.
the lowest floor of a building. Wind damage with these storms will occur before any rain or lightning. Do not wait for the sound of thunder before taking cover. Seek shelter immediately inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. Strong thunderstorms will impact southwestern Indiana. Weather bulletin. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Indiana County and west central Pennsylvania, east central Westmoreland County in southwestern Pennsylvania until 9 p.m. At 8:24 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Lincoln for 7 miles east of Lincoln, with northeast and southern winds per hour. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page. Northeast Indiana.
How the hell did this thing even activate?
Rossiter, Ernest, Marion Center, Cherry Tree, Glenville, Glen Campbell, Timber, Dixonville, Commodore, Eastern Mines,
Glenn.
Brush Valley, and Smithburg. This includes Interstate 80 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 89 and 94. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Wind damage with these storms will occur before.
Oh, what the fuck?
Cleveland has issued a special marine warning for open waters from Vermilion, Ohio.
What the fuck?
Until 2:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:46 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 15 nautical miles north of Lorraine Harbor, moving northeast at 30 knots. Hazard: wind gusts to 40 knots and large hail. Source: radar. Impact: small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves.
Special.
Large hail could result in structural damage. The severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly open waters. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck. If possible, keep away from ungrounded metal objects. The forecast for Cleveland and vicinity. The National Weather Service in Buffalo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Erie County in western New York, northeastern Chicago County in western New York, until 1:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:24 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Silver Creek, 10 miles northeast of Delaware, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour gusts. Source: radar indicated.
Everybody say hello to Eddie.
Damage to trees and
Okay.
Locations impacted include Buffalo, Cheektowaga, West Seneca, Lackawanna, Kenmore, Tonawanda, Hamburg, Evans, Eden, and Orchard Park. This includes Interstate 90 between exits 52 and 58. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Chautauqua, New York.
Anus!
The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a special marine
Yo,
warning
what
for
the fuck?
near shore and open waters from Reno Beach, Ohio to Willowick, Ohio, until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
My ass is
4:03
just
p.m.
sitting
Eastern
down.
Daylight Time. Strong thunderstorms were located along the line of
What?
from 13 nautical miles northwest of Lorraine Harbor to near Vermilion to near west of Vermilion, moving northeast at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts at 40 knots. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Western Vermilion, Avon Point,
excuse me.
Huron, Lorraine Harbor, Vermilion, Willowick, Kelly's Island, and Cleveland. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Nautical miles northwest of Lorraine Harbor, moving east at 35 knots. Hazard, water spouts and wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, water spouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Put-in Bay, Western Vermilion, Kelly's Island, Avon Point, Lorraine Harbor, Vermilion, and Cleveland. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Here is short-term marine forecast within 5 nautical miles from shore. Small craft advisory in effect.
Jej pysznej zupie nie ruszam grupy sklepa. Gardło papryłam mlekiem, na mleko mam alergię. Po twojej pysznej zupie nie ruszam grupy sklepa. Gardło papryłam mlekiem, na mleko mam alergię. Po twojej pysznej